How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, tap on add your story at the top left corner and here select your picture that you want to add. If you tap on the music icon from the menu bar at the top of this interface, after that select your song. And at the bottom left corner, there is a timer right there. If you select it, you could select the duration up to 15 seconds but not more than that. So by default, Instagram stories are 15 seconds long per slides. But you can extend the full song over multiple slides, and here's how you can do it. So you can discard it. Now what you have to do is you have to select multiple pictures. So for example, I will just select 2 pictures right here, then tap on next. Then select separate. Here in your first slide, you have to select the music that you want to add. And select the part of the music that you want to add. Here you have to remember the time where the music ends in this first slide. Once you're done, tap on done. Head towards your second slide, again select the same music, but here you have to start it from where the last one left off. So once you have selected the perfect part of the music, you can tap on done at the top right corner. So you can repeat this as many times as you want to extend your song, which will give the illusion of one long continuous music track. And now after that, you can post it in your story. So that's the way to make Instagram story longer than 15 seconds. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.